Hey y'all, welcome to our channel. If you've ever walked into a room and thought, this space just needs a little something something, you're in the right place. We're all about taking what you already have and turning it into something you absolutely love. Today we're tackling a home office makeover, but not just any makeover, we're going for cozy glam. So grab your paintbrushes and your tool belts, cause we're about to transform a room from drab to fab. Are you ready? Let's dive in. Alright y'all, before we pick up a hammer or unroll a rug, we gotta start with a little soul searching for your space. Walk into your office, close your eyes for a second, and really take it in. What do you see? More importantly, what do you? Now, think about what you need this room to do for you. Do you need a dedicated workspace for focus, a creative corner for brainstorming, or maybe a little bit of both? Write it all down. Once you have a good understanding of your needs and the quirks of your space, you can start dreaming about the possibilities. Okay folks, now comes the fun part. Well, maybe not, but oh so necessary, decluttering. Start by taking everything out of the room. I mean everything. Files, furniture, those dust bunnies hiding in the corner. Now, with everything out in the open, it's time to make some tough decisions. Be honest with yourself. What can you donate? What can you toss? And what are you holding on to for sentimental reasons, even though it's taking up valuable real estate? Once you've purged the unnecessary, give the entire room a good scrubbing. Wipe down the walls, vacuum the floors, clean the windows. Now take a deep breath. Give yourself a pat on the back, because we're ready to start building our cozy glam dream office. Now that we've got a clean slate, let's talk about color. Cozy glam comes to life with warm neutrals and soft textures. Start with a base color like soft white or warm gray. Add an accent color for personality. Finally, a touch of metallics adds instant glam. Now comes the fun part, picking out furniture. But before you get swept away by that gorgeous velvet chaise lounge, let's talk function. First things first, you need a desk that works as hard as you do. Next up, a comfortable chair is non-negotiable. Now for the fun stuff, a comfy armchair for reading. Alright folks, let's talk about lighting, because good lighting can make or break a space. First things first, let's maximize that gorgeous natural light. If you're lucky enough to have windows in your office, don't you dare cover them up. Natural light is not only good for your mood, but it also reduces eye strain. Now, for those times when the sun isn't cooperating or you're burning the midnight oil, you'll need some good task lighting. A desk lamp is a must-have for focused work, and I love using a floor lamp to add ambient light to the room. And don't forget about the power of a dimmer switch. Being able to adjust the brightness throughout the day can really set the mood. So go ahead, create a little ambiance. Okay y'all, we're getting to the good stuff now, the details that make a house a home. And when it comes to cozy glam, texture is key. One of my favorite ways to add texture is with textiles. A plush rug underfoot, a cozy throw blanket draped over a chair, or even some velvet curtains can instantly warm up a space and make it feel more inviting. And don't be afraid to mix and match different textures. A chunky knit blanket paired with a sleek leather chair, or a faux fur rug layered over a sisal rug, can add visual interest and depth to your design. But texture isn't just about textiles, you can also add it with your accessories. Think woven baskets, ceramic vases, or even a wooden tray on your desk. Now for the fun part, adding those glamorous touches that make your home office feel extra special. Remember, glam doesn't have to mean over the top or fussy. It's all about adding those little details that make you smile every time you walk into the room. One of my favorite ways to add a touch of glam is with metallics. A gold desk lamp, a silver tray for your pens and pencils, or even just a few brass picture frames can instantly elevate the space. And speaking of picture frames, don't forget to personalize your space with photos, artwork, and other meaningful objects. These personal touches are what make your home office truly yours. Another easy way to add glam is with mirrors. Not only do they reflect light and make the space feel larger, but they also add a touch of sophistication. Hang a large mirror above your desk or group a few smaller mirrors together for a chic gallery wall. Alright y'all, let's talk tech, because let's be real. In this day and age, a functional home office needs to be equipped with the latest and greatest gadgets. First things first, make sure you have plenty of outlets. There's nothing worse than having to choose between plugging in your laptop and your phone charger. consider having an electrician install additional outlets, or invest in a stylish power strip to keep all your devices juiced up. Next, think about how you can use technology to improve your productivity. A wireless printer, a high-quality webcam for video conferencing, or even a smart assistant like Alexa or Google Home can make your workday a whole lot smoother. And don't forget about entertainment. A Bluetooth speaker for listening to music while you work, or a streaming stick for taking breaks to watch your favorite shows, can help you stay motivated and energized throughout the day. Your space should tell your story, reflecting who you are and what you love. Start with treasures that spark a memory or make you smile. Frame a postcard, display your child's art or a vintage typewriter. Surround yourself with things that bring you joy. Have fun, experiment, and let your space evolve with you. Alright folks, we're in the home stretch. We've got a beautiful, cozy, and glam home office, but now we need to talk about how to keep it that way. The key to staying organized is to have a designated place for everything. Invest in some stylish storage solutions. Think file folders, magazine holders, desk organizers, and drawer dividers. Once you have a place for everything, make it a habit to put things away as soon as you're finished with them. Trust me, your future self will thank you. And finally, don't forget to declutter regularly. Set aside some time each week to go through your desk and get rid of any unnecessary papers, trash, or clutter. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to creating your very own cozy, glam home office. I hope this makeover has inspired you to create a space that is not only functional and stylish, but also a true reflection of you. Remember, creating a space you love doesn't have to happen overnight. It's about taking it one step at a time, infusing your personality, and surrounding yourself with things that bring you joy. Thanks for joining me on this journey, y'all. Don't forget to subscribe for more design inspiration and be sure to share your cozy glam makeovers with me. I can't wait to see what you create.